Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Before cutting, clear the area around the tree and prepare an escape route. These are the basics of safe tree felling. This guy has luck on his side, enough to make up for some bad decisions. Thank you for watching this far. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one on my channel. Seriously, folks, a clear path and a speedy cleanup are key to avoiding a real-life game over. Guys, this house is totally doomed, and that tree, it's giving me major demolition vibes. What do you think is gonna happen? Here we go, oh damn. When the customer says, take the house down, you make sure to hit it. You know, it's like you see a tree that's fallen and think, oh, it's safe now, but ... under. The barber called, he wants his chair back. Come on, pass me that chainsaw. That was a masterful display of car control. The driver exhibited a nuanced understanding of vehicle dynamics, maintaining optimal throttle input to preserve momentum through the maneuver. Confidence can be dangerous. These guys dropped one tree, thinking the next one would be just as easy. Well, look what we have here. The 87 Peterbilt 359 in all its glory. 425 horses of pure American muscle, ready to hit the open road. And Old Smoky Jerk, a name with personality, just like its owner, I'm sure. You know what I love about this sawmill? It's so easy to use. Logasol really gets it. They understand what woodworkers need. This depth adjustment, simple, intuitive. Even if you're just starting out, you'll be making perfect cuts in no time. It's that user-friendly, and the quality, top-notch, Swedish-made, folks. There's something fascinating about watching heavy machinery in action. The sheer size, the raw power, the precision it speaks to our instinct to control and shape the world around us. And this circle crane, a prime example. Imagine a ballet of steel and timber, a dance of destruction. The Rico RG80 takes center stage, executing a graceful yet powerful spin. With a single pirouette, it obliterates the stump, sending wood chips flying like confetti. This isn't just land clearing, it's a performance of raw power and precision. Thank you for watching this far. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one on my channel. No EWP yet. Guess you gotta be a daredevil. Logging roads separate the pros from the amateurs. Massive rigs loaded with timber, climbing steep grades. This isn't just driving. It's an art form demanding precision. The best operators know their trucks, understand winches, and read the terrain. It's a delicate balance between skill and instinct. Meet the HMC Rosser head, a debarking machine designed for precision. It maximizes bark removal while minimizing fiber loss. With this, you can process more logs in less time, giving you a serious competitive edge. Let's be honest, nobody likes dealing with stumps. They're an eyesore, a tripping hazard, and just plain annoying. But with the Atera Vortex stump grinder, removing them is almost fun. It's incredibly easy to use, so powerful. You'll be amazed at how fast those stumps disappear. It's like having a superpower. These are the clumsiest guys I've ever seen. Now, let's break down this challenge. An all-terrain vehicle versus a deep trench. The outcome is uncertain. Can technique conquer the forces of gravity, or will physics win? A true test of engineering versus nature. Oh my gosh, did you see that? This timber pro just crushed it. That cedar didn't stand a chance. Talk about power. This is what I call a game changer, people. A total beast mode moment. Whoa, check out this bad boy. The Ponce Scorpion is a beast of a machine. With its triple frame design, it's unlike anything you've ever seen. It's got the looks, the power, and the comfort to dominate any forestry operation. This is what I call a game changer, folks. The Komatsu 951XC harvester is equipped with a high-performance, hydrostatic transmission and a reinforced undercarriage, providing optimal traction and stability on uneven terrain. The C160 for harvesting head, featuring a sophisticated computer-controlled system, ensures precise log measurements with minimal fiber damage. It's hard to believe. This massive, solid chunk of wood started as a tiny plant, just a single seed, a sapling with a few delicate leaves, now grown into a towering piece of timber destined to become sturdy and beautiful creations. Just a plant, yet from these plants we build skyscrapers, homes, and entire cities. Imagine the history this ancient tree has witnessed. Truly incredible. The tree cutting process of this machine, it's an absolute beast. With precision and raw power, it grabs, slices, and processes trees in seconds. Watching it work is like witnessing a mechanical predator in action, efficient, relentless, and unstoppable. Wow, how does something like this even happen? This is next level. Thank you for watching this far. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one on my channel. The Spaltfix S410 Vario is a marvel of engineering, capable of processing logs up to 41 centimeters in diameter. With ease, its integrated power cut for 1/0 sawing unit allows for precise, joystick, controlled cutting to customizable log lengths, ranging from 12 to 33 centimeters, the hydraulic rocker, to the auto split unit for splitting. Remarkable. This massive wooden giant is estimated to be 1,000 years old. Observing its journey to the sawmill is captivating, yet poignant. The sheer precision of these wood-cutting machines is a testament to engineering prowess, but witnessing such a venerable tree felled is truly a shame of fascinating, albeit melancholic, spectacle. When felling a large oak tree, safety should always be the top priority. The Stihl MS361 is a powerful saw, but even with that power, using a winch is the smart choice. Secure the winch cable high on the trunk and use it to control the tree's fall. This minimizes the risk of property damage or injury to yourself and others. This is why training and the right tools matter. An experienced operator can handle anything, but without reliable equipment, even the best will struggle. Skill is only half the equation. The right gear makes all the difference. A logging truck struggles to move under freezing conditions, as falling snow turns the road into a slippery challenge. The icy surface makes every turn and climb a test of skill and endurance, pushing both the driver and the machine to their limits. Who knew wood chips could be so exciting? The PTH 1200, with its massive 660 millimeters drum, turns ordinary logs into a flurry of fuel. And with a 12 millimeters wide inlet, it's like the hungry hippo of the forestry world. Now, that's how you handle a big rig. Always be aware of your surroundings, anticipate every move, and never underestimate the power of momentum. A true professional. You're probably wondering, why cut down such a magnificent tree? Well, let me tell you, sometimes letting go is an act of love. This seasoned lumberjack knows that by removing these towering giants, he's not just taking, he's giving back, creating space, letting in light, making way for the next generation. A lesson not just in nature but in life. Whoa, those LKT81 turbos are absolute workhorses. But let me tell you, overloading them like that with a well loader is a recipe for disaster. You're gonna be staring down a major overhaul in no time, maybe even less than a year. This logger's got the ultimate tool, the Ponce Forwarder with the Nisla to 5C head. It's a game changer, folks. Watch this felling, processing, loading, boom, boom, boom. No downtime, no messing around. And check out that NCU3 control system. It's like it's reading the tree's mind. This is how you get the job done, people. Maximum efficiency, maximum results. Well, if I were there, a little distance is your best friend. That chain can kick back faster than you can blink, and you don't want to find out the hard way. Wow, just wow. Look at that trunk. It's like this tree has been here forever. A giant cedar, hundreds of years old, and it's seen it all. But check out how the logger took it down smooth, clean. Not a single wasted move, like a dance. And can you believe how big around it is? Over 8 feet. It's even more amazing than I thought it would be. Peterbilt trucks, no, they're not just trucks, they're land yachts. Chrome-plated dinosaurs, rolling sculptures of American swagger. They're unexpectedly beautiful. Cylindrical milling, a technique using lathes or similar methods to strip away bark and sapwood, leaving a perfectly round log. It looks smooth, almost perfect, but exposing the hardwood makes it vulnerable to moisture and fungal decay. Sealing and proper finishing are critical to protect the wood's longevity. Alright, let's talk tree work. This is no easy task. You're handling serious equipment, fighting against unpredictable forces, and of course, gravity, always gravity. One wrong move, and it's game over. Check out the scale of this camphor tree. That base is massive. A complex root system like this means removal won't be a simple task. Let's see how they tackle this beast. Watch the harmony between man and machine as a Japanese sawmill processes a 300-year-old log. Precision cutting, guided by experience and technology. The sawyer's expertise is remarkable, but true accuracy comes from the meticulous work of the saw doctor, who fine-tunes every blade. This dedication to detail. The Caterpillar D8 dozer, a beast of engineering power. Its diesel engine roars against the earth, pushing through the landscape with unmatched force, a true testament to human innovation. Built for endurance, designed for strength. Life's a lot like trucking. You gotta be tough, you gotta be resilient, no matter what obstacles are in your way. These truckers, they get it. They embody that spirit of perseverance. Well, folks, that rig was in a real bind. Overloaded, and those roads, brutal. But that driver, a true pro, with a little help from his buddies, he managed to wrestle that beast out of its predicament. Whoa, did you catch that? 1 minute there's a tree, the next bam, wood chips everywhere. The Denny Simoth industrial mulcher is crazy power, right? Look at those guys up there. They're not just cutting trees, they're mountain climbers, engineers, and lumberjacks all in one. It's a tough job, no doubt. One wrong move, and it's over. They respect the mountain, they respect the trees, and most importantly, they respect the power of nature. When dealing with a stump this size, a 40-to-1 compound block and tackle is your best friend. It lets you apply 20 tons of force using just a small vehicle. But remember, safety is key. Clear the area. That stump can turn into a dangerous projectile, as we saw when one launched 15 feet in an instant. Oh wow, this debarker is insane. Look how fast it's working. Definitely need one of these in my shop. Seriously though, does anyone know the brand? Drop a comment below if you have any clues. This work requires extreme precision. Even the smallest miscalculation on these slopes can be catastrophic. The camera doesn't capture the full danger of this downhill descent. Alright, folks, check this out. This ripper ain't winning any beauty pageants, but boy, can it get down and dirty. Kobelco's engineers are geniuses. They've made this thing work perfectly with the SK160's hydraulics. Boom, maximum power, maximum efficiency. Look at it tear through that soil. Roots, gone. Stumps, history. This little guy is a demolition machine. Who needs fancy when you've got power like this? Impressive. Look at the precision in this maneuver. Years of experience and knowledge at work. Understanding weight distribution is crucial. You know what's awesome? This wood chipper. The Eschelbach Biber 84 can handle massive logs, up to 4 feet wide. Its powerful rotors, fitted with 10 or 20 knives, let you chip wood at insane speeds. And get this, it even has a specialized rotor for extreme jobs. Versatile, powerful, efficient, the Biber 84 stands in a league of its own. It's time for the ultimate chainsaw showdown. 2 titans enter. One will leave victorious. Okay, maybe not. But this battle between the Husqvarna 3120 XP and the Stihl MS881 is intense. Don't miss this epic battle. Who knew machine operation could look this smooth? The Komatsu PC360 with its advanced hydraulics, combining power with precise control, turning rugged work into an art form, a true dance of engineering and skill. It's like watching a master sculptor at work, but with a 20-ton machine. Check out this beast. This stump grinder is an absolute monster, but it's also incredibly precise. It removes stumps without tearing up. Fast, clean, and efficient. This machine gets the job done. Would you climb a tree with a chainsaw in hand? Now imagine that chainsaw weighs 5 kilos. Operating heavy machinery on uneven terrain requires skill and precision. Unlike flat ground, slopes introduce unique risks. The angle of the terrain affects stability, demanding careful calculations to prevent tipping or loss of control. Factors like soil composition, moisture levels, and even wind conditions become critical. Experienced operators assess these variables to ensure smooth and safe maneuvering. We all want to get the most out of our machines, right? But overloading your skidder is like squeezing the last bit of toothpaste. You might get a little more, but you're also making a mess. It's tough on the machine, burns extra fuel, and frankly, this isn't just risky, it's outright dangerous. Work smarter, not harder. The WB2000 leverages advanced laser-guided technology to maximize yield and minimize waste. Its precision cutting system delivers dimensional accuracy within 0.1 inches, exceeding industry standards. The optimized blade design, paired with a high-torque motor, ensures exceptional cutting efficiency, reducing energy consumption by up to 15%. This translates to higher lumber output. This is why you never underestimate the power of nature. Let's see how they get out of this mess. This Velmet 840.3 logging truck is seriously stuck. I mean, buried in mud. We're talking about a machine designed to conquer any terrain, and it's totally defeated. If you want to see something that will blow your mind, look at this. These beasts are a staggering 20 feet high, 60 feet long, and 14 feet wide. Motorists who underestimate their size and power, let's just say it doesn't end well. Yielding is the only way to survive. Now that's what I call a dozer. This D6R XL has got it all: power, durability, and control. Those advanced features make all the difference. I've seen a lot of machines, and this one's a real workhorse. Watching this video takes me back. I remember hearing those Detroit diesels roaring through the woods all the time. When I was a kid, I used to tell people it sounded like the Tasmanian devil was tearing through the woods to get you. Thank you for watching this far. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one on my channel. The Capset 18 RC radio-controlled skidder features a 21 horsepower Honda GX630 engine for unmatched efficiency in demanding forestry conditions. Its high ground clearance and low ground pressure help minimize environmental impact, making it ideal for delicate terrain. The ergonomic remote control ensures safe operation, while its 16 kilonewton winch and 35 meter rope provides serious pulling power, a 20-liter hydraulic tank, and 180 bar max pressure. Now this, my friends, this is raw power meets finesse. That Cat 990 moves logs like a ballroom dancer, effortless, graceful, a true testament to precision engineering. Let's talk ash trees. If you see one that looks dead or dying, it's probably been attacked by those pesky emerald ash borers. These little guys burrow into the wood and make it super brittle. Cutting down an infested tree is risky business. It could snap and fall in unexpected ways. Stay safe out there. In the evolving landscape of renewable energy, the NHS 450F emerges as a strategic asset. Its impressive capacity, seeking to optimize biomass fuel production, underscores its efficacy in this regard. By integrating the NHS 450F into your operations, you're not just processing wood waste, you're organization with a sustainable future. The wood chipper, a powerful machine in forestry management. It quickly processes logs into wood chips, and the Pizzolato PTH900 is built for the job. This machine is crucial for sustainable forestry, as its wood chips can be used for mulch, biomass energy, or particle board production. The sound of the engine tells you everything. This machine is built for heavy-duty logging. Its efficient operation ensures a steady supply of forestry resources. When evaluating a forwarder, key factors include payload capacity, tractive effort, and fuel efficiency. But true excellence comes down to adaptability. The Komatsu 830.3 boasts an advanced hydrostatic transmission and high ground clearance, allowing it to conquer rugged terrain. This ensures maximum productivity, even in the toughest conditions. It's the perfect blend of power and versatility. This is how they used to make lumber. No skimping, no cutting corners. These old mills could handle massive logs, and the quality, top-notch. These days, it's all about profit, not pride. That's why we keep these old-timers running. They're a reminder of how things should be done. The BRAC T6B is more than just a machine. It's a tool for land restoration. Its precise scarification technique minimizes soil disturbance while creating optimal conditions for seedlings. The result? Healthier forests, greater biodiversity, and a more resilient ecosystem. For those committed to preserving our natural world, the BRAC T6B is an invaluable ally. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.